What's up, y'all? In this video I'm going to show you how to quickly find high quality images of athletes. What you're going to do is go to Google Images, and I'll use Tom Brady since he decided to retire and then unretire, then retire again, then unretire. Then there he is. There's this annoying face everywhere. Google Images. So the quicker way to do it is click on Tools, click on Size, click on Large, and then most of these should be a pretty good size. So I like to have them be around 1,000 by 1,000 pixels, but like this is close enough as far as like the quality that I'm looking for making graphics. This is even higher quality one. You kind of want them to be like over 1,000 by 1,000. That's my lower threshold that I like to stick to. So let's just go with this one. We can copy the image, go into Photoshop, paste it in, and then what you want to do is convert that to a smart object so that way it doesn't lose quality. And there it is. So if you use Creative Commons licenses, those are less likely to have copyrights if you're planning on like selling the artwork that you're going to do versus using one of these that might have copyrights. But the more advanced way to do it is click on Settings, go to Advanced Search, and then, so if you go to Image Size, instead of any size, and here are the broader sizes again, you can go and pick over a certain size. So like I might do this one, or maybe like, let's go to larger than 6. So you can also save the image, because sometimes copying and pasting doesn't work. So there's 2 quick ways to find high quality sports images. Go ahead and click on this next video in the playlist to find out how to quickly cut out photos and keep the quality of the images.